Like new example of this iconic hot hatch VW Golf R, 4Motion, 2-litre petrol, the correct colour. This car is amazing on a 23. It was registered on the 6th of April. It's got delivery miles on and the key ingredients. For me, the correct colour for shoe for one of these cars, but it's got the winter pack with heated seats and it's got the sliding glass roof. This is a wonderful car to drive. 4Motion 4-wheel drive, Golf Mark 8, 320 brake horsepower, top speed 155 miles an hour. This car does it all, from the looks, the performance, the traction from the 4-wheel drive, and this one, like I say, is brand new. Very, very difficult car to buy in this sort of ilk, in this sort of age. This is physical, it's here, you can come and get it today, and that's what's good about us. We get the best and the rarest cars day in, day out. So this car is a Mark 8 Golf, the newest technology inside, the newest interface, but the newest look from the exterior. Biggest selling feature for me about this car, not only is it brand new, but it's the sunroof, the tilt and sliding sunroof, an important feature. But being a Mark 8, we've got the IQ lights to the front. We've also got this wonderful strip straight across the bonnet. Underneath that iconic, again, blue theme throughout this car. It's a great car, stunning. Performance elements are all there. Everyone will know who's looking at this car how these vehicles drive. It's beautiful. Blue R braking calipers, 18-inch wheels, all in perfect order, no damage. Again, iconic features with the brushed chrome mirror casings, and then inside, the wraparound cockpit. This car's got a winter pack which gives it heated seats, which is a really important feature. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, touchscreen interface, R Sport seats. This car will catapult you from 0 to 62 in 4.7 seconds. It's no slouch, but it's practical at the same time because it's got 5 doors. It's a hatchback. It's reliability from VW. You see the ambient lighting, rear climate control. It's also got a boot. If you've got a family, notice the IQ lights to the rear as well. If you've got a family, then it suits because that boot, massive through load facility, split folding seats, and then again the R badging to the centre on the Golf Mark 8. Quad tailpipes to the bottom, and then let's jump in and show you some of these features. Crosshatch seats with cloth and Alcantara. Steering wheel, everything is brand new, smells new, is new. 360 miles on the clock, that's all it's got. Biggest feature I mentioned, sunroof, the swipe operation to control that is wonderful, very modern, so there's no buttons, you like swipe your finger. Steering wheel, almost like I say every time, Batmobile-esque with the shape, blue R stitching throughout, blue detailing and R to the bottom. Golf R mode, putting it into sports mode easily and quickly through the paddle shifts. This car drives wonderfully well. It's obviously 4-wheel drive. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, cluster for your lights here, which is also very modern. And then pop it in the reverse, you'll see we've got front and rear parking sensors. This is a big feature. Heated seats to the front. Getting rid of that, obviously, your latest technology with the fact that it's got navigation, Bluetooth, smartphone interface, which is wireless. We've got wireless phone charging, which is down here. Short shift gearbox, start, stop, hold assist, electronic handbrake, 2 keys, armrest with just everything. It's wonderful, it's new, it's a great hot hatch. It's got performance and power and 4-wheel drive, and it's on the website now. Correct colour, great price. Again, selling the best cars day in, day out. This is one of them. My name's Richard, my number's on the screen. Really important, call me if you're interested in this vehicle. Thanks for watching.